my name is Joyce and today I'll be taking you through my easy cheeseburger bowl I eat every single day. Some eggs, some ground beef, cheese, more protein so egg whites. And another key ingredient is potatoes. I've already portioned out my ground beef. So this is about 250 grams that I like to cook at a time. This gives me two meals, so 2 portions. And I like to use the lean ground beef, 90% lean, 10% fat. If this is in focus, I think it is. Cut up your potatoes into little diced or cube shapes. Any potato will do, but I just like to use the low carb baby Spudlight potatoes. Obviously, you could prepare your potatoes however you like. Put it in the oven, boil it, air fryer. I don't have an air fryer. I like to make things quick, so I will just put this bowl into the microwave. I like to put a wet paper towel like so it really cooks through the potatoes. And I'll put it in for about 3 minutes. I'm not going to touch the eggs just yet because I don't want it to be all mushy and scrambled. I actually want it a little bit solidified. This is how it should look when you're finished. Fallen soldier. Oh, more fallen soldiers. Are you kidding me? Look how good this looks. Are you serious? And you know what the best part is? These. Obviously, to make it taste like a cheeseburger, you need the cheeseburger sauce. So we have light mayo, American mustard, and ketchup. But this one's the less sugar and salt one. Tastes the same. I can't taste the difference anyways. So what you want to do is basically just a little drizzle of that, little drizzle of that. And then obviously mix everything up. Oh my god, are you serious? Are you serious? Do you see this? You're kidding. You're kidding. This is supposed to be my lunch for the next 2 days, but I actually can't resist right now, so I'm gonna taste a bite. I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. One more bite. No more.